we'll just circle back round quickly to mock exams. I don't think there's any doubt everyone feels on the panel they're important. You know, they're not something to be overlooked or seen as a hurdle. They're something to actually get into. For all the reasons that's been said, it's a great opportunity for you to put yourself both in the mind and the physical environment of an exam, so you really know what to expect come your actual GCSEs. And it's much like your past papers. It's a really good opportunity to look at where you perhaps didn't get your grades that you were hoping for, and where you could focus on between your mocks and your actual GCSEs. And one thing which I don't know if anybody would mention is a mistake I made, which I wouldn't want any of you to make, which was I did really well on my mock exam. So I was like, I've got this in the bag. I'm not gonna, I probably took my foot off the gas a little bit, which was silly, and actually did, less good, shall we say, when it came to my original when it came to my GCSEs. So definitely use your mock exams. They're a powerful tool to look at where you need to improve. And stay focused and apply yourself. Jaden, have you got anything else you'd add to how you use mock exams, or the value of mock exams?
Yeah, so I think mock exams are very valuable. Treat them as if they're the real thing, and prepare for them as if they are the real thing. You want to see how much all of your work so far has paid off, and you want to see where you're struggling. So I know a lot of students do not do any work for mock exams because they want to see where they're struggling, but I think that's a completely wrong approach. You should try as hard as you can to see how you would perform if that was the real thing. And then from there on, you can use that feedback as extremely valuable feedback. You can work on anything which you got wrong, and you can focus on all your weak areas, so you can just improve for the real thing. So hopefully you won't make those same mistakes again.
Really good shout. Jeremy, could we come to you in terms of how important you feel mock exams are? Anything you haven't already said about them that you feel students should use them for as they approach them and afterwards?
Echoing what Jaden said, treat them like the real thing. You'll get more out of it that way, because if you don't revise fully and if you don't revise comprehensively for them, there'll be things you get wrong that actually you would have got right if you'd put a bit of work in, and those will be highlighted as areas for improvement when actually there's something that might be more pressing. So you need to work hard in the lead up to the mock so that you can identify the things that are truly where you would be struggling, and then address those gaps, because you do have time, and that's something that you need to bear in mind. There is time. You need to just start working now, little and often, as we've said many times, and kind of keep that composure throughout the year.